What's the meaning of concealment? Concealment. Concealment.
Concealment. Concealment. Concealment refers to the act of hiding or keeping something secret. It can be intentional or unintentional and can apply to physical objects, information, or emotions. The result of concealment may be that the hidden object or information remains unknown or undiscovered, potentially causing confusion or misunderstanding. Concealment may also be used strategically to protect sensitive information or objects from harm or theft. Ultimately, the effects of concealment depend on the motives and methods used by those involved in hiding or revealing information or objects.